Example 11. Find two consecutive odd positive integers, sum of whose square is 290. We have to find two odd positive integers, that two consecutive odd positive integers. அந்த ரெண்டையும் ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணி ஆட் பண்ணா 290 வரணும். அப்ப என்ன பண்ணோம்? அப்போ ஒரு பாசிட்டிவ் இன்டிஜர் ஸ்மாலர், செகண்ட் பாசிட்டிவ் இன்டிஜர் இஸ் கிரேட்டர். Let the smaller positive odd integer be x. About one positive odd integer be x, its consecutive odd positive integer na you have to add to the smaller integer. ஏன்னா consecutive odd integer ல 2 2 increase ஆகும். Let the consecutive odd integer be இந்த x ஓட ஒரு +2 ஆட் பண்ணா x +2. Now according to question, sum of whose squares is 290. First odd integer ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணோம், செகண்ட் odd integer ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணோம், ஆட் பண்ணா 290. Sum of whose squares is 290. That is x square plus x plus 2 the whole square equal to 290. இப்போ x square இதை a plus b the whole square பண்ணா a square plus 2ab plus b square. a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to 290. x square plus x square 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 290 equal to 0. 2x square plus 4x minus 286 is equal to 0. இப்போ dividing by 2 பண்ணிக்கலாம். Dividing by 2 x square plus 2x minus 143 equal to 0. Now we have to apply by quadratic formula. According to A, ஒரு standard quadratic equation க்கு equate பண்ணா ax square, a is 1, b 2, c minus 143. Quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. X is equal to minus b. b is 2. Minus 2 plus or minus b square 4 minus 4 into a1 into minus 143 by 2 into a2. X is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4. 4 3s are 12, 1, 4 4s are 16, 7, 5. Plus minus into minus plus by 2 is equal to x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of 576 by 2. Now we have to find square root of 576. லாங் டிவிஷன் நம்பர்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இங்க இருந்து ரெண்டு நம்பருக்கு இப்படி எடுத்துட்டு இப்போ 5 ல வாட் இஸ் தி மினிமம் ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் இஸ் 2 into 2 4. ஸோ இங்கே 2 இங்கே 2 4 அப்போ இங்கே 1 இப்போ 2 நம்பர் 176 you have to bring. இப்போ இங்கே நம்பர் என்ன பண்ணோம் இந்த 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 2 2ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் 4 அப்போ என்ன நம்பர் போட்டால் இங்கே 176 இங்கே 4 but put here also 4 4 into 4 16 remainder 1 4 into 4 16 16 plus 1 76 0 therefore square root of 576 is 24 x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 24 divided by 2 therefore x is equal to minus 2 plus 24 by 2 comma minus 2 minus 24 by 2 x is equal to minus 2 plus 24 22 by 2 x is equal to minus 2 minus 24 minus 26 by 2 x is equal to 11 or x is equal to minus 13. இப்போ இது வந்து not possible. Why not possible? Because they are asking positive integer. அப்போ x is only the correct answer. So first integer is 11. The second integer is x plus 2 is equal to 11 plus 2 equal to 13. Therefore, the two consecutive positive odd integers are 11 and 13. We have to show that 11 square plus 13 square equal to 290. 11 square is 121, 13 square is 169, 121 plus 169, 290. So, our answer is correct. Example 12. A rectangular path is to be designed whose breadth is 3 meters less than its length. Its area is to be 4 square meters more than the area of a path that has already been made in the shape of an isosceles triangle with the base as the breadth of the rectangular path. And the altitude 12 meters. See the figure. This figure is given. Find its length and its breadth. This is the rectangular path. If the breadth is 3 meters less than its length means its length is 3 meters more than its breadth. Therefore, if the breadth is x meter, length is x plus 3 meters. This is the rectangular garden. The area of the rectangular garden is already the area of an isosceles triangle whose base is breadth x meter and altitude is 12 centimeter. The area of the rectangular garden is 4 square meters more than the area of an isosceles triangle. Then we have to find the length and breadth of the rectangle. Let the breadth of rectangular path be x meter. Length of the rectangular path is x plus 3 meter. Area of rectangular path area is length into breadth is x plus 3 into x is equal to x square plus 3x meter square. Then area of base of the isosceles triangle is x, altitude is 12, area of the isosceles triangle. Area of isosceles triangle is half into base into height is equal to half into x into 12. Half into base into height, it is 6 is equal to 6x meter square. But it is given that the area of the rectangle is 4 square meter more than the area of the part. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangular part is area of isosceles triangle plus 4 meter square is equal to x square plus 3x is equal to 6x plus 4. That is area of the rectangular part. This is the area of the triangle plus 4. So x square plus 3x minus 6x minus 4 equal to 0. X square minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. Now a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3, c equal to minus 4. Then quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now apply. X is equal to minus b minus of minus 3 plus 3 plus or minus b square 9 minus 4 a 1 c minus 4 c minus 4 by 2a 2 into 1 2 x is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 9 4 into 4 16 minus into minus plus 16 by 2 equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 25 is 9 plus 16 root 25. Root 25 is 5 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 3 plus 5 by 2 or 3 minus 5 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 4 meter or minus 1 meter. This is not possible. This is correct. So, x is 4 meter. X is 4 meter means breadth of the garden is 4 meter. Length of the garden is 4 plus 3, 7 meter. Length of garden. Length is equal to 7 meter. Breadth is 4 meter. Length of the garden is 7 meter. Width of the garden is 4 meter. Now we will check our answer. Area of the garden is 7 into 4, 28. Area of the rectangular park 1 by 2 into 4 into 12. That is 2s are 24 is equal to 24 plus 4. 4 square meter extra. 4 square meter more. About 24 plus 4, 28. This is the area of the rectangle. This is also 28. Therefore, our answer is correct. Therefore, length of rectangular park is 7 meter. Breadth of rectangular park is 4 meter. Example 13. Find the roots of the quadratic equations if they exist by quadratic formula. First subdivision 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Second subdivision x square plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. Third subdivision 2x square minus 2 root 2x plus 1 equal to 0. You will solve one by one. First subdivision standard form ku compare பண்ணுங்க. ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore a equal to 3, b equal to minus 5, c equal to 2. x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Therefore x is equal to minus b minus of minus b minus of minus 5 plus 5 plus or minus square root of b square minus 5 the whole square 25 minus 4 a 3 c 2 by 2a 2 into 3 6. X is equal to 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 4 into 3 12 12 into 2 24 by 6. X is equal to 5 plus or minus square root of 1 by 6. 25 minus 24 1 is equal to 5 plus or minus 1 by 6. Therefore x is equal to 5 plus 1 by 6 or 5 minus 1 by 6. So therefore x is equal to 5 plus 1 6 by 6 1 or 5 minus 1 4 by 6 or 2 by 3. Therefore the roots are x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2 by 3. X is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2 by 3 are the equation of these roots. Second question, x square plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. Compare ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A equal to 1, b equal to 4, c equal to 5. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. X is equal to minus b minus 4 plus or minus square root of b square. B square is 16 minus 4 into 1 into 5 by 2 into 1 2. So x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus root of 16 minus 4 into 5 20 by 2 is equal to x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus root of minus 4 by 2. So for root of minus 4, we don't know how to find the root of a negative number. Since the square of a real number cannot be negative. Therefore, it has no real roots. This equation has no real roots. Third subdivision, 2x square minus 2 root 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Compare the standard equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A equal to 2, b equal to minus 2 root 2, c equal to 1. Formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. x is equal to minus b minus 2 root 2 minus of minus 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 plus or minus b square. B square is minus 2 root 2 the whole square. Minus 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So 8 minus 4. A is 2, C 1 by 2A. Is it 2 into A is 2. 2 into 2. X is equal to 2 root 2 plus or minus root of 8, 4 into 2, 8 minus 8 by 4 is equal to 2 root 2 plus or minus 0 by 4 is equal to x is equal to 2 root 2 by 4. 2 root 2 by 4 is 1s are 2s are. X is equal to root 2 by, this 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. So, root 2 cancel is equal to 1 by root 2. Here, x is equal to 1 by root 2. Both are real roots, both are equal roots. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by root 2 and x is equal to 1 by root 2 are the roots. It has two roots, both the roots are equal roots. Example 14. Find the roots of the following equations. ரெண்டு ஈக்குவேஷன் கொடுக்குறாங்க. இப்போ நம்மளோட ரூட்ஸ் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சப்டிவிஷன் x plus 1 by x is equal to 3 where x not equal to 0. ஏன் x 0 இருக்கக்கூடாதுன்னா x க்கு 0 போட்டினா 1 by 0 infinity. அதனால x not equal to 0. therefore இப்போ LCM எடுத்தா இது by 1. அப்போ x தான் LCM. x by 1 x into x square. x by x 1 into 1 equal to 3. இப்போ cross multiply பண்ணலாம். x square plus 1 equal to 3x. x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. இப்போ standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3, c equal to 1. Formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Therefore, x is equal to minus b, minus into minus 3 plus 3 plus or minus root of b square. B square is minus 3 the whole square 9 minus 4 into a 1 c1 by 2a 2 into e1 2 is equal to x is equal to 3 plus or minus 9 minus 4 5 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 3 plus root 5 by 2 and x is equal to 3 minus root 5 by 2 are two roots. X is equal to 3 plus 2 root 5 by 2 and x is equal to 3 minus root 5 by 2 are the two roots. Second question. 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2 equal to 3 where x is not equal to 0, x is not equal to 2. If x is equal to infinity arrow, if you put x is equal to 2, 2 minus 2 0. Therefore, x will not be equal to 0 and x will not be equal to 2. Now, it is not in the standard quadratic equation. First, we take LCM. LCM for x into x and x minus 2 is x into x minus 2. LCM divided by x minus 2. X minus 2 into 1, x minus 2. Minus LCM divided by x minus 2, x into 1, x. equal to 3. Then x minus 2 minus x by multiply பண்ணா x square minus 2x is equal to 3 na 3 by 1. இப்போ plus x minus x cancel. இப்போ cross multiply பண்ணா 3 into x square 3x square 3 into minus 2x minus 6x 1 into minus 2 minus 2. Therefore 3x square minus 6x plus 2 equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation. Equating the standard equation, compare பண்ணா a வந்து 3, b வந்து minus 6, c வந்து 2. Formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. இப்போ வேல்யூ சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணா x is equal to minus b. b is minus 6 minus of minus b plus 6. Square root of b square minus 6 the whole square 36 minus 4 into a3 c2 divided by 2a. 2 into 3 6. X is equal to 6 plus or minus root of 36 12 24 minus 24 by 6. Therefore x is equal to 6 plus or minus root 12 by 6 is equal to 6 plus or minus root 12 can be written as root of 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 2 root 3. ரெண்டு 2 ஸ்கொயர் ரூட்ல ரெண்டு 2 இருந்தா ஒரு 2 வெளிய எடுத்துக்கலாம். இப்போ 2 root 3 by 6. 2 root 3 by 6. So we can take 2 common. 2 common எடுத்தா 3 plus root 3 by 6 plus or minus root 3 by 6. The 2 and 2 cancel ஆச்சுனா 3. So x is equal to 3 plus root 3 by 3 comma and x is equal to 3 minus root 3 by 3 or the two roots. Example 15. A motorboat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream at the same spot. Find the speed of the ship. For water, this is the boat. Assume this is the boat. This is starting point. This is water. Say water moves in this direction. Your boat is also moving in this direction. The distance is 24 km. Starting point, this is finishing point. This is called water moves in this direction. Boat also moves in this direction. This is called downstream. Along the flow of water is downstream. In second time, now boat reaches the finishing point. Now it should come to starting point in this direction, but water flows in this direction. This is called upstream. Water moves in this direction, boat moves in this direction. This is called upstream. Here, the time taken to downstream is less. The time taken for upstream is more. How much time is more is 1 hour more. Now we have to let the speed of the stream. Let the speed 3x kilometer per hour. Speed of boat. The speed of boat is given. Speed of boat is 18 kilometer per hour. Now we have to find the speed of boat in upstream, speed of boat in downstream. In downstream. Downstream is 18 plus x kilometer per hour. Speed of boat in upstream is 18 minus x kilometer per hour. In downstream, you have to add the speed of the stream with the boat. In upstream, you have to subtract the speed of the stream from the speed of the boat. Now, time taken is equal to distance travelled by speed in kilometer per hour, distance in kilometer, time is hours. Now, time taken in downstream is distance is 24 kilometer divided by downstream speed 18 plus x hours. Now time taken in upstream, both are same distance, 24 divided by 18 minus x hours. The time taken during upstream is more because boat should go against the flow of water. Here the time taken will be less. So according to the question, 24 by 18 minus x minus 24 by 18 plus x is equal to 1. Time taken during upstream minus time taken during downstream is equal to 1. Now we have to take LCM. 18 minus x into 18 plus x is equal to 24 into 18 plus x minus 24 into 18 minus x equal to 1. Now 24 into 18. 8 4s are 32, 3, 192, 24, 432, 432, 432 plus 24x minus 432 plus 24x divided by 18 minus x into 18 plus x. A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. 18 square is 324 minus x square equal to 1. So now we can cancel plus 432 minus 432. Now 24 plus 24, 48x equal to, we can cross multiply, 324 minus x square. So minus x square plus x square. Routing this term, plus x square plus 48x minus 324 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. X square plus 48x minus 324 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Now we have to solve by quadratic formula. When comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a equal to 1, b equal to 48, c equal to minus 324. Now formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. X is equal to minus 48 plus or minus square root of 48 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 324 by 2a, 2 into 1. Now x is equal to minus 48 plus or minus square root of, we have to square 48. 48 into 48. 64, 4, 8, 64, 6, 8, 32, 384, 192, 403, 2304, 2304 plus 4 minus into minus plus 96, 1296 by 2 is equal to x minus 48 plus or minus square root of 0, 0, 6, 3600 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 48 plus or minus square root of 3600 is 60. 60 into 60, 3600 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 48 plus 60 by 2, or x is equal to minus 48 minus 60 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 12 by 2. 60 minus 48, 12 by 2, 6. X is equal to minus 108 by 2 minus 5,000 minus 54. This will not be possible. X is equal to speed of the boat, speed of the steam in kilometer per hour. Our speed will not be negative. Therefore, the speed of x is 6. Therefore, the speed of the steam is 6 kilometer per hour. Speed of steam is 6 kilometer per hour.